Caddy to take a look at Unique Specialty and Classics 1956 Cadillac Coupe Deville, black with black and white interior. Now this particular car with the same family since new before coming to us, according to them, believed to be original miles, 53 and some odd thousand miles on it. So we'll check that out when we get around to the driver's door and start it up and let you check out the interior, which also appears to be all original. Take a look at the front grille. Those Dagmars on the 56s. Now this particular plug-in right there, that is for a trickle charger that is hooked up to the battery, FYI. If you don't like it there, it could be removed. Just want to leave it for the next owner to decide. Would be the original color of this car, an original interior. Underneath the hood, 365 cubic inch V8, power steering, power brakes. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the interior, the undersides, engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there, and you can see the paint shows well. It's black. It's going to show imperfections, but overall, car does show very well. Phone number too, if you got any questions, you want to give us a call, 507-386-1726. Wider whites, Cadillac wheel covers, and then take a look up and down the length of this car. You can tell there's not been a lot of body work to it. You get those long panels like that with black paint, that'll really start to show if it's had poor body work or a lot of it done. Bright work looks nice in this car, and of course there's a lot of bright work too. Take a look. Here's that interior. Again, appears to me the way it is aged to be original. Does have a little aftermarket AM FM 8-track player in it that powers up, but I did not get it to work, FYI. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Of course, that 365 V8 underneath the hood is paired up with an automatic transmission. Appears to have the original spare in the trunk. You'll be able to check that out in the still pictures. Of course, the fill on these would be right here where the gas cap would be. Cleverly hidden. And once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Nicely equipped in the interior too. Power windows. All the power windows do work. Ran them all down and up from the driver's side switches. Also has a power bench seat up front that is in working order. And look at the reflection coming off that. So you can see the paint does show well. Again, is it perfect? No, it's black, but does it definitely show well? Take a look. Those long panels once again. See how nice the bright work lines up too. I don't think any of that's ever been off the car. And again, see how straight that is? Car actually came out of West Virginia, is where the original family that owned it was from. And again, believed to be a little over 53,000 original miles. There's your power window switches. And if you look at this door panel, that all looks original there also. I have pictures underneath those floor mats in the still pictures to be able to check those out. Of course, you can see some wear in the seat here, but like I said, it definitely appears to be original. Now, whether this fabric was replaced, I would guess this front fabric has, because that should have a little of the speckle in it like this. So that may be, let's take a look at the rear seat. Yeah, where that has a little bit of the speckle in it, and I believe that would be original. This part here is probably replaced at one point in time. Original steering wheel, autotronic eye, dimming the headlights. Wipers do work. I did have those going. One thing I want to show you, it does have a battery cutoff. This here is a battery cutoff. That will turn it off, turn it back to the right, we'll turn it back on. Then you can just turn the key like normal once you have it powered up. condition of the dash. Again, very original looking, of course, with the exception of that little aftermarket stereo down below. There it is, 53,126. Again, believed to be original miles. All right. Slip around to the back here. Let you hear it run. Of course, the exhaust exits through the bumper. Incredibly designed car, no doubt about that. Rolling work of art, really. Done in 1956. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop the hood, check out that engine bay. But it's looking pretty original under there too.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, here it is. 365 cubic inch V8. Again, power steering, power brakes. This would be your oil reservoir. Power steering. Boost right down below there for brakes. Sounds good. Nice and smooth. Here's all the heater hoses are intact. Fun one to take your local cruise-ins, roll-ins, local shows. Won't run into a lot of these. Black Cadillac, 1956 Cadillac Coupe Deville. Same family owned before coming to us. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.